Hello everyone, welcome back to this class. This is the second day of this class, and tomorrow will be the final class. So let's start. Yesterday I told you on how to change the background, on how to import images, yeah, all of those stuffs, on how to arrange the texts, that is typography, and how to mix. How many fonts that are there to be used in graphic design? I told you you have to use not more than three fonts. That is the maximum fonts that you can use in your posters or in your design. Not more than three fonts. Yeah, minimum of one, maximum of three. And now today, this the design I want you to design. Then I want us to design a family, one for the family, then the other for birthday. That's the birthday for poster for birthdays. So let's start. Mm, Let us upload the background. I told you all of this yesterday. So it's from gallery. I'll scroll and check. I'll scroll and I would use even this. Yeah. So I told you all of these things, and I'm sending you this application. This is the PIXELLAB Gold Premium, and I'm sending you this so that you can add your fonts into the application, because that one application from Play Store doesn't install the fonts, doesn't add the fonts that you can download from your browsers. So let's design this. So I'll come and import image. I'll import this image. That is it. Then I'll press it down here. That's it. So I think the background is not matching. By the way, when you design, make sure that your background, it doesn't it's not too much shouty. So you come here. Let me show you. Just wait a minute. Okay. So this is it. Mm, let me use portrait. It will be very better. So here, when we come here, I think you see that icon. That icon is to add brightness to the background, add contrast, noise, or make it with stripes. Yeah, something like that. But this background is not really moving with this image. So what will I do? I will change the background, and now I will come to my gallery and I look for another background. Let me use this background, and I will add its brightness into 0. That is a 0. Test it. I think it looks nice. So after that, I will come here. Then for this picture, let me tell you now to increase the saturation. So here, color filters. It is down here. So this one, you'll click on it, and you'll add some saturation, but not too much. Mine I've left it in 4, and the brightness I will reduce so that it will appear more good. And the contrast I'll add it in 10. That's it. That's it. So let's center it with center. I told you about centering. So you have to center everything in your design. Make sure that it's in center. Like the picture must be in center, and you must arrange them correctly. Yeah, to make your design look so good. So that we'll come here and add, that's the style and the editor. So yeah, mm, wishing you oh, let's say happy Friday, happy Friday, and center it like that. It's in center. I told you all of these things yesterday. So today I just do it, then you will just see the way I do it, then you will copy and do the same as this. And submissions, make sure, by the way you bothered me, I gave you some assignment, but you have not submitted. So what you have to do, you have to submit the assignment, all assignments, yeah, so that we will see how we continue with the classes. So that is it. I load that, so I'll come into AB font, and I look for font here. I will not use that. Let me see mine. Even that magical happy. Let me use, by the way, in builder, so that be fine. I've used it roboto condensed, roboto regular. Let me use roboto condensed. That is it. Then I change the color so that it will change. I will make it even that is black. So let me tell you now to mix the color and produce another color. So that's black. Then I'll come, if it is black, I'll try to do that. Then the second, you see, it changes. I'm changing to color. And let's say it's here in blue. Coming to blue, someone like, let's put it there. Just have a look. Bikini here. This matters. So we'll not make it blue because the background is blue white, so we'll change to even dark, but dark. Let's say be like that. Let's say happy Friday. They're reducing. Let's say reducing size. So yeah, let's say here like let's edit this and say happy Friday to you, all right. Looks nice, and you'll reduce in size, and I told you you'll reduce using that TT, and reduce in size to that. That is good. That's 23. So 23, I'll center it. After centering, I'll also even either copy. I'll copy, then edit, then we'll say here it is. So here it is. We'll add some. We'll increase a little bit of this. Let's see the size. Let's say it is 39. Yeah, 39. Then we'll center. After center, skip it upward somehow. So position, it's the movement. So let's say I move. You can even increase to 18 pixels when I move. Or I can reduce the one when I move. It moves more slowly, just in some small spaces. And when I move, I think you understand that. And this is one is for the relative. Is I push it to that, if I push it to this, if I push it down, if I push it up, or if I center it, then now here I'll just move it up. Then I center. It's center already. So say, yeah, it is. What is there? Friday. That's Friday. I'll increase the size. Let's see the size so that everyone will use the same size. It's 9 size. Then oh here we forgot to change the font. The font we used is Roboto condensed. So this is Roboto. We say Roboto condensed. Let me look for it. Roboto condensed regular. That's it. You see. So here, this is the main thing. That is Friday. It is the title. We can say, let's shoot every fat face Kura. So that's it. Then we'll change the color. The color of these, let's say, it's even that group. Looking good, huh? So yeah, everyone pay attention here. There's something I will do after. Let's copy this, copy and edit. So it's let's add this text, smile, enjoy, smile, enjoy, and uh, enjoy and relax. So here we reduce the size. I bet this one should be so much smaller. Let's reduce the size here to this 27. At this 27, it at least makes some sense. So here it is. We reduce it also to say even 30. That will be 30, and we'll center it, and no, this we'll center this. This, let's increase this a little bit size. Let's say even to that or that 5. And you can say that. Oh, let's center it. We center. Then let's push it down at least. That is it. So you see the way it appears. So let's start something here in. So we'll import, and I will send you these sources. These are the sources that you will use to create something like this. And I expected you to send them to me tomorrow. So this is it. And reduce in size. I told you either you can reduce it manually using this button, or you can reduce using this relative size. So let's reduce using this to 15. Make sure it is 15%. Then you will let's say that looking good. So I'll import another one. I'll import let's import some pig. Let's import this. Then we'll take it to back. Notice there's back and let me tell you this now. There's this and there's this. So this to front, when I click to front, it's always it's into front. So when I click to back, you see it directly moved it to back. So into the back, it's better. Make it sure it positionally looking the way I've done it. And I will import this one. There's another image that I want to import. This is it. This is it. So that reduce in size that seat. And let me there's in enable picture you import all in every shape that you choose to use. It always has this thing that I think you see. So that one is for rotation. So I will rotate it 360. I don't know if it's 360. I'll reduce it like that, and it will be somewhere there for that guy. So when it's there, I'll copy it. That is it. Now looks so good. So this one I take it to back. After do all of this, and this one I take it back, go to back. So that is it. So it's done. Make sure you make something like this. This is your assignment for today. Thank you for listening. And next thing we design per the day poster and the flyer. I'll show you the flyer style and the poster style. So keep on. So make sure you do all assignments. If not, so I don't know. It's good to do the assignments because all the designers every day is a practice. Make sure you do every day. When I give assignment, make sure you do it, and the people who will do it correctly and the people who will submit it daily, there's a a reward. There's a reward. So do the right thing. And the one thing I've not told you is about the colors. Colors, make sure the colors will not exceed 3 colors in your thing. Make sure. So let's meet another thing. So we next thing we design is a birthday poster. So thank you. And same thing I told you is in format it will be PNG, and in dimensions will be ultra. Then the next thing is you save. So mm, just a mess. So it's PNG, and there it will be ultra and save to gallery. That is done. So wait for the next, that is a per day thing. Yeah, thank you.